Hi, this is Hadas from Mike in Canva, and I'm super excited to share with you the newest feature that Canva has released that we've been waiting for so long, and that is Appear on Click. You can use now click on animations in your presentations, and not only, and let me show you exactly how you do this. So let's say I have this slide in my presentation. Do notice this is only one slide. I do not need to duplicate it. And let's say that I want each of these letters to appear once I click. So what I have to do is choose my element. If you want more than one, you need to group them before. So I'm just going to group everything that has to do with the letter S. And then I go up here to animate, click on that. And then on the left, you get the option to appear on click. Just switch it to the right and repeat the process. Go to W, do the exact same thing, group it, animate, click on O, T, and there you have it. Now let's go to present and see the magic happen. So as you can see, I have a blank slide. I'm just going to click and there it is. Click, 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 click. And the best part is it's free for all users. Can you hear the excitement in my voice? This saves us so much time. A lot of amazing things are coming up, so if you want to be on top of things, I invite you to follow me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.